Hi everybody, my name is Gina Paulus. I'm the owner of Homebody's in-home fitness training, and I'm here today to show you one of my favorite exercises, the reverse lunge. I like to use this exercise in order to strengthen my legs, but also as a great hip loosener and a warm-up exercise before I get to some of the more advanced things I might be doing in my workout. So here we go. What we're going to do is start with about 6 inches between the feet. We're going to step back. Now you want to try to let your knee touch the floor, okay, if you can, and then you're going to press up again. So balance can be a little tricky, as you just saw a few times there with me. So this one, it isn't the easiest to do, but I'll give you a couple of tips. You want to have your legs like they're on train tracks. So if you see my feet here, I step straight back, so there's a little bit of space there. You're not trying to do like a tightrope thing. That isn't what we're doing here today. So let me show you a few reps on the other side as well. Okay, so I'm stepping back. I'll show you what it's like if you're not quite as flexible. What you're gonna do is maybe go to here and then come up. I see some people that will try to touch the knee at all costs and they end up doing this. No, that isn't good. So you really need to keep your chest up. If you do this exercise maybe 3 times a week, a couple of sets, you will find that it progresses and you're able to get that knee down with great form. So give it a try. Let me know how it goes.